So we're back at Meadow Ridge. Let's go get a knife. Hey Sam, can I get one of y'all's knives out of the box?
Yeah, man.
I was interested in the Tekto. Let's check it out. This is the Tekto brand, USA made. So inside the case you have your manual, sheath, bonus sticker, beautiful, with your knife inside. This is probably one of the nicest knives I've seen, and I had to get it as soon as I saw it. But let me bust out the mat of justice so we can view this bad boy up close. So the first impression of this knife is obviously the handle. It's a G10 carbon fiber handle. So the knife has titanium accents throughout the knife. Pocket clip, it's not reversible though, but it's definitely a beautiful looking pocket clip, not gonna lie. And on top of that, it's got a titanium coated D2 steel. Now this knife does have ceramic ball bearings for extremely smooth action with the USA logo, D2 stamp, in Portland, Maine. Now, before we see how sharp this knife actually is, let's do a side-by-side comparison with the CEO. Side-by-side comparison. CEO, Tekto. Obviously, you can tell by the design, but just wanted to point it out. Up close, they're almost exactly the same length, if not perfectly. The Tekto might be a teeny tiny bit longer. It's also got a little bit more width to it, so it definitely feels a lot more comfortable in your hand. Now, one downside about the CEO that I didn't like is the liner lock on this knife. It's kind of hidden down inside of the knife, so you kind of have to mash your thumb in there to be able to push down and unlock it. But the Tekto has a nice design because they notched it out to where you can be able to easily unlock this knife. One last thing to point out, the Tekto definitely has more of a high-end luxury feel. But does that justify the price between the CEO and the Tekto? But before we get into that, let's test how sharp it is. Okay, so here we go. 110, so it's really sharp. Now 110 on the best system scale is considered razor sharp. Way down here, kind of in between utility and double-edged razor blade sharp. Now, let's talk about the price. Now, for this knife, you're looking at about $150. Now, from all the beauty, exactly how smooth it is, the blade material, and the handle material, is that worth it? For me, yes. This is absolutely an amazing knife. Now, the CEO, you can roughly find it for about $50. Now, they do have more expensive CEOs, but this exact one was about $50. So you're looking at a $100 difference. But that $100 is definitely still worth it to me. It's USA made, extremely smooth. I love the coloring on this. The handle looks extremely awesome. And all these blue accent pieces definitely make the knife stand out. But what do y'all think? Is this knife actually worth the $150? Let me know. Thanks for watching.